Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that use My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one account because you guys are just starting, you're trying it out, you want to see if it works first, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, what we're going to do here is look at our results, guys. Oh, before I do that real quick, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, and it's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month. When you get a sale in, they stay in the system. Very lucrative, and the best system I have ever seen so far, guys. All right, so that's the reason why I like promoting this particular product. You can promote whatever you want, but I'm going to show you guys this is the best product to promote. So first, let's look at our results real quick. I'm going to look at my results doing the bare minimum, guys. I'm doing the bare minimum. Remember that. I'm not trying really hard to promote this product. I'm doing the bare minimum with it. So we're going to refresh the page here and see what's going on. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. And what we're gonna do is show you guys how to get these affiliate links here real quick. I'm gonna show you step by step, very easy process, very simple process on how to get to these links here. Get your links so you can use them and promote them. Okay, guys. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to my video here. You're gonna go down to the description here. You see the description here, and what I want you to do, you want to click on step 1. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2 here. Those are the two ones you want to work on here. We're gonna do step 1 first. You're gonna click on this. It's gonna take you to this page here. What this page is basically gonna tell you about is how to make money online, all that good stuff. How much money it's gonna make you, the $25 business, 80% commission for every sale for life, stuff like that. And it's just gonna slowly explain how much money you can make and how easy it is to make it if you want to read about it. But I pretty much just give you the TLDR of what it explains in general, you know what I mean? So once you decided that you want to give this a shot, you just click on one of these green buttons here, and once you click on the green button here, it's going to take you to this page. You can put all your information in. I say click on this as well, and then you purchase the product here, right? So the reason why you want to click on this, guys, is because you have to own the product to get commissions from the product. All right, guys. So you don't want to miss any sales. I've done that before. Trust me, it doesn't feel good when you miss a sale. So yeah, get both of them and really elevate your money, because this is where the $100 commissions come from, guys. All right, so you get in here, sign in, all that good stuff. You're gonna get to a page or something like this. All right, well, you might need to log in first, but once you log in, you're gonna get to a page to have something like this. What you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. Whatever the page looks like, you're gonna have this at the top here. Click on affiliate zone. I'm already there. Anyway, guys, there are videos explaining all of this, guys. I'm just running you through it in a very quick motion, but it's very simple. It's just super simple. And so I'm gonna do that for you guys. Sign up for the affiliate program here. You just put in your information here. That's what this page looks like. It's very simple, easy process, guys. Just put in your information. Once you do that, you can log into your SAM card, and that's gonna look like this. Now you back on this page here. All right, and you got all your links here. Now this is the link that I've been using here. It's the one that's been working for me, the all-in-one 25 business sales letter. All right, guys. So once you do that, you want to come back over here to my video here and back to my description. You want to click on step 2, because now you got your link. Now you need to promote your link. All right, guys. So what you want to do is click on this right here to My Lead Gen Secrets, and it's going to take you to this page here. Now this page is generally going to explain what My Lead Gen Secrets is, and ultimately what it does, it gives you 100 leads that you can email every day. All right, guys. So today you'll have 100 leads if you sign up. Tomorrow you have 200 leads because it added another 100, and so on and so forth until you have a ton of leads you can mail every day. All right, guys. So And the cool thing about these leads is that they're interested in making money online. So it's a very, very easy way to do this without really, thinking about it, and just send an email. All right, so we're gonna log in. I did your affiliate, blah, blah, blah. All right, log in here. I did your affiliate, boom. So we're gonna log in here. I'm gonna go to the mailing system. And when you're in the mailing system, we're gonna use the email here. By the way, guys, once you click on mailing system, make sure to click on all your leads here. You're only gonna have 100 leads at the beginning, guys, but it's gonna build up very quick. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go for we're gonna go to one of my emails I don't write myself. Which one do I want to try? Have I tried that? I have. I'm just trying to find an email that I probably ain't used in a while. You know what, Bumpit? Let's go with the next one on the list here. Bit Money Day, extra money every month. Go with that one. So we're gonna load that up. And we're just gonna put it in. And you guys can copy this email too. Just pause the video to copy the email here. I'm gonna make sure I can show the whole email here so you guys can copy it. All right, guys, so we starting now. All right, that's the whole email there, guys. So just copy that. Make sure to put your link in here. Make sure to click on perfect timing. What it does, send an email around time people check emails. It's a good chance of them looking at it. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works. All right, guys, make sure your link works, and you just send an email and you're done. That's it. So that's all it takes to make money doing this. That's all it took for me to make how much? Nearly $55,000 here. That's all it took taking me to do. All right, guys, $55,000 in like 6 months, 7 months, something like that. So guys, just do that, guys, and yeah, you'll make money too, guys. It's just working for me, and I know it can work for you guys too. I'm nothing special, and if I can do it, anybody can. All right, guys, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.